Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to clear Telegram cache on your phone. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to the Telegram app, open it, and after opening the Telegram app, go to Settings. And after that, scroll down a little bit until you find Data and Storage. Click on it. And after that, go to Storage Usage. Click on it. And as you can see here, you will find an option called Clear Entire Cache. So if you want to clear the entire cache of the application, you have just to click on it like that. And after that, click on Clear Entire Cache. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.